Hello and welcome to this course on Swift protocols, powered by Pact Publishing. In it, you'll be shown how to get the most out of protocols in your code. You'll be shown some examples of how protocols are best applied in code, and in fact, we'll be taking a look through an example iOS application, and you'll be shown how it was built around protocols. By the end of this course, you should have real confidence in using protocols in your code, and know when best to use them. I'm Hamish Knight. I've had 3 years' experience in developing iOS applications, and I'm currently a computer science undergraduate. I'm very passionate about Swift, and have spent the last year or so answering Swift questions on Stack Overflow. I enjoy learning all about the technical details of Swift, such as how it's implemented at a lower level, and in the second section of this course, we're going to do just that. We're going to take a look at some of the implementation details of protocols themselves, and how these details can help guide you when using them. So, let's take a look at an overview of the course. First, we'll start off by taking a look at how you can apply protocols in common situations and the main advantages of using them in those cases. And we'll be taking a look at some other circumstances where other abstraction mechanisms, for example closures, are better suited to the task. So by the end of this section, you should feel confident in identifying places in which protocols are best suited. Next, we'll be taking a look at some important implementation details of protocols, and then how these can be used in order to help guide you when using protocols in your code. So by the end of this section, you should have a good idea of some of the things that are going on behind the hood when you use protocols. Next, we'll be taking a look at some of the limitations of protocols that are commonly encountered by Swift developers. And we'll be taking a look at some practical solutions for these. So by the end of this section, you should be able to overcome common problems when working with protocols. And finally, we'll be taking a look at some great new protocol features coming to Swift 4 and beyond. So by the end of this section, you should really be looking forward to these new features. To get the most out of this course, you should already be familiar with the basic functionality of Swift protocols. If you aren't, I would recommend watching my Getting Started with Swift Protocols course, in which we cover both the basic and more advanced features of protocols.